I'm 57 years old and I have aging parents. My dad is 87 and my mom's gonna be 94 in a few weeks. And I'm constantly asking myself, am I doing enough to help them to be able to stay at home and live independently? The bathroom is a place, unfortunately, where a lot of falls happen for obvious reasons. And so the first thing we did with my parents' apartment is we put a solid grab bar into the bathroom so they have something to hold on to in case they do lose their balance. As opposed to what many people have are flimsy towel rods. And the reason why this is loose is because this has been used to try to grab onto it when they lose their balance. Now, what if unfortunately they've fallen? Do they have enough strength to be able to, slowly get on their hands and knees and be able to get themselves up? Or if they're unable to kneel, can they get themselves up in a different way without putting stress on the knees by coming over this way and standing back up again? Either way, they're going to need strength to be able to do that. Can they get themselves out of a chair or a low couch without using their hands? Sit to stand without support or having to pull themselves up is a very functional activity. And you'd be surprised how many people in the clinic every day that I see over 70 that can't do that. And that is just a question of having enough strength and balance in our hips and legs to be able to do that. There was no way I was going to get my mom and dad to go to the gym. And so I implored him. I said, Dad, what if I gave you a 10-minute exercise program that you can do at home? And he's like, well, I don't have any equipment. I'm like, you don't even need any equipment. So what I did was I actually wrote a book. And so I'll put a link down below in case you're interested. But basically it is 40 home-based exercises that you can do at home. 10 minutes a day of strengthening can make a difference. So my dad and mom really liked the book. However, my dad said, do you think you could make some videos of the exercise? And so I said, okay, Dad. So what I did was I put together a video course. 28 Days to Strength is what I call it. And I'll put a link down below to that as well too. And basically what it is a 4-week program consisting of 3 different strengthening exercises every week. So I said, Dad, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I want you to do these exercises. And after a month, I can guarantee you, you're going to be stronger. And if not, we can talk about it. If your parents are like my parents and they want to live independently, we can't leave that up to chance. It's going to take some planning. And strengthening is a non-negotiable because so many functional things become difficult, if not impossible, without strength. I'll put links down below to the book and to the course. If you have any questions, please let me know. Good luck to you and your parents. I'll see you at the next video.